Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share simple, natural choices that can improve your life. Today's topic is something very common. Eggs. Almost everyone eats them. They are simple, affordable, easy to prepare. But behind this simplicity, there is powerful nutrition. Let's begin with protein. Eggs contain high-quality protein. Your body uses it to build muscle. It also supports recovery. This is important for daily activity. Another important benefit is satiety. Eggs help you feel full. You eat less later. This supports weight balance. Then comes your brain. Eggs contain choline. This nutrient supports memory. It helps your brain function properly. Focus becomes stronger. Another important area is energy. Eggs provide steady fuel. Your body feels stable. You do not experience sudden drops. Then comes your eyes. Eggs contain nutrients that support vision. They help protect your eyes over time. Another benefit is related to bones. Eggs contain vitamin D. This supports strength. Your body becomes more stable. Now let's talk about your skin. Eggs contain important nutrients. They help maintain a healthy appearance. Your skin looks better. Another important point is metabolism. Eggs support your system. They help your body use energy efficiently. But here is the truth. Eggs are powerful, but they must be used correctly. Too much is not necessary. Balance is always important. Cooking method also matters. Boiled eggs are a better option. Less oil. Cleaner nutrition. Now here is the key idea. Eggs are simple, but they provide strong support. You do not need expensive foods. You need smart choices. Because real health is built from simple habits, repeated every day. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay strong, take care.